Hello everyone. Hello dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Now it's time for maths lecture. So students, let's begin. In our last lecture, we are done with exercise 8.1. So today let's start with page number 99. All of you open your book, page number 99. Open your book, page number 99. So, what time of the day it is? So, take the most appropriate time. See, some conditions are given there in several boxes and we need to take the most appropriate time. First one, time to wake up. 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock and 9 o'clock. 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock and 9. So the most appropriate time for waking up is 5 o'clock. So we will take 5 o'clock. Now time to brush. After waking up at 5 o'clock, what is the best time for brushing your teeth? Is it 6 o'clock, 10 o'clock or 1 o'clock? Yes, it's 6 o'clock. So, 6 o'clock, 10 o'clock and 1 o'clock. So, we will take 6 o'clock. Now, the next one, time for breakfast is it 10 o'clock, 1 o'clock or 7 o'clock? We woke up at 5 o'clock, brushing teeth at 6 o'clock and taking breakfast at 7 o'clock. So take 7 o'clock. Now then time for school. 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock or 11 o'clock. If you are brushing your teeth at 6 o'clock and taking breakfast at 7 o'clock, then what will be the time for school? Very good. It will be 8 o'clock. Now study time in school. 8 to 2 o'clock, 5 to 8 o'clock or 12 to 3 o'clock. Very good. It's 8 to 2 o'clock. Now time for lunch. Is it 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock or 1 o'clock? Yes, it is 10 o'clock. Now time to go home. 2 o'clock, 12 o'clock or 9 o'clock? 2 o'clock. And time to play? 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock or 5 o'clock? 5 o'clock. And time for homework is it 6 to 8 o'clock, 8 to 10 o'clock or 2 to 5 o'clock? 6 to 8 o'clock. Now time for bed, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock or 2 o'clock? 9 o'clock. So these timing would be the most appropriate times. So, this is how we are done with page number 99. So now, student, now we are going to learn calendar. We had learned clock. Now we are going to learn calendar. See, you all have seen calendars in your home. How many months in a year are there? Very good. Months are there. What are their names? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. These are the 12 months of a year. Now, some months are having 30 days and some months are having 31 days. but February is a special month which is usually having 28 days, and in leap year February is having 29 days. What is a leap year? A normal year has 365 days. A year has how many days? 365 days. And a leap year is having 366 days because in this year February is having 28 days. So when February is having 29 days, this 365 will become 366, and that year we will call as leap year. So a leap year has 366 days. So there are 12 months in a year. Usually a year has 365 days. A leap year has 366 days. And in leap year February is having 29 days. Now, how many days in a week? There are 7 days in a week. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. See student, these are the common information regarding calendar. So I hope all of you are aware of this very basic information. Now let's solve the exercise. See what you need to do. You need to learn all the spellings of months, all the spellings of weekdays, and you need to know that which month is having 30 days and which month is having 31 days. So months with 30 days are April, June, September and November. And months with 31 days are January, March, May, July, August, October and December. And the month with 28 or 29 days is February. So all this information and the spellings you need to learn. So let's start the exercise. Okay. So let's start exercise 8.2. Exercise 8.2, all of you open your classwork copy, write down exercise number and then question number 1. Question number 1 is fill in the blank. So all of you note down the question with the help of book. Note down the question with the help of book. I hope you have written the question. Now, A. The months of a year that begin with J are the months of a year that begins with J. So, let's recite the months of year. year starts from January. Yes, January starts from J. So in first blank we will write January. And there is one more blank. So let's recite the months: January, February, March, April, May, June. So in the next column, the next blank, we will write June, and after June, July is also there, so we can write July also. Then August, September, October, November and December. So there are 3 months that start with J: January, June and July. Now the next will be the months of a year that begin with M, R. So once again, let's recite the names of month: January, February, March. So let's write March. After March, April, May. So May is also starting with M. After May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So there are these 2 months that start with M, March and May. Now the next C, there are dash months in a year. See, we know that there are 12 months in a year. Now next D, the month that comes before January is, the month that comes before January is December. See, currently January month is going on. Before January, which month were there? December. So the month that comes before January is December. The next question E, there are dash days in November. How many days are there in November? There are 30 days in November. November month is having 30 days. So all of you note down from A to E. Fill all the blanks from A to E. Students, you are done with this much. Okay. So after E, F. There are dash days in December. How many days are there in December? There are 31 days in December. Now after F, G. There are dash days in April. There are 30 days in April. Now H. The total number of days in month October and November together is. See, total means we need to add total number of days in month October and November. So how many days are there in October? 31 days. And how many days are there in November is? How many days are there in November? There are 30 days in November. So we need to find the total. So we will add 31 and 30. So 1 plus 0 is 1 and 3 plus 3 is 6. So together there will be 61 days in October and November. Next question I. In a leap year, February has 29 days. In leap year, February has 29 days. The question J. There are dash days in a leap year. How many days are there in leap year? Just now we learned 366 days. Now write down from F to J. Write down from F to J. I hope you are done, students. Now the next question, question 2, match the columns. So students, write down question number 2. Let me write column A and B. The first day of a week. I am having short board, so I cannot draw the full, but I will write a little part. But you need to draw full sentences. The last month of the year. Now C is the first month of a year. D, the last day of a week. E, the day after Friday. F, the day before Thursday. G, the month having the shortest name. H, the shortest month. Now column B, Sunday. January. Saturday. May. Monday. December. Wednesday. And at last February. Okay. So let's match the column. In column A, first day of a week. We know that first day of a week is Monday. So we will match it with Monday. And B, the last month of a year. The last month of a year is December. So B, we will match with December. Now, the first month of a year is January. Yes, a year starts with January. So we will match it with January. Now, the last day of a week. The last day of a week is Sunday. So we will match it with Sunday. Now the day after Friday. What comes after Friday is Saturday. So we will match it with Saturday. Now the day before Thursday. The day before Thursday is Wednesday. So we will match it with Wednesday. The month having the shortest name. It is May. 3-letter word. M-A-Y, May. Now the shortest month. The shortest month is February. So this is the match the column. So all of you note down in proper handwriting. Once again let me recall. The first day of week is Monday. The last month of a year is December. The first month of a year is January. The last day of a week is Sunday. The day after Friday is Saturday. The day before Thursday is Wednesday. The month having shortest name is May and the shortest month is February. Note down this in beautiful handwriting. hope students you are done. So this is all for today's lecture. We will meet in next lecture. Till then, bye students. Stay home, stay safe and keep practicing.